I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky.
You get that, dude. These guys fucking suck.
Yeah, bitch.
Team, I'm sorry if I have to kill you, bro.
Oh shit.
Look, just jump off. Make it fun.
All you have to do is live.
Yes, I got
I'm dead.
I got him.
Alright, let's only take what we need. Alright, let's not be greedy.
I'm gonna take this. This.
Yo, Shadow Rider, did you?
Yes.
I have an idea.
Okay.
Get in the car. There we go.
Hey guys.
Oh, how you got it?
Yeah, bitch.
Oh, yes.
Who the hell was that?
No.
Yo, why'd you leave without us, you dumbass?
You guys, because radio, the last time I tried to bring you, you threw me out of the car and then drove off without me.
Touche.
We win! What?
Ah, homo.
Oh my
God.
shit!
Holy shit, really?
Alright, everybody get fucking ready.
Oh shit! I'm alive!
Get out of here, bitch!
Help!
Get on my
Help.
bitch!
Hey Harold! Damn it!
You trying to get me, Jordan?
No. Alright, go for Sebastian. He gave you a dirty look.
Yeah, bitch!
Oh shit, that was close.
Oh my fucking god.
Ah, hi, dumbass!
You fucking
Wow,
dumbass.
way to go, dumbasses. What are you doing? You dumbass! Hit him in the head with a car.
Yes.
A whole car. Ah, you suck still.
Get him, David, get him! You dumb fuck, get him! David, come on! You fucking dumb.
Yeah, radio. Oh, you hit me with the fucking thing!
Yes!
Oh, fuck you guys. Oh,
Oh
Sorry,
shit! Harold.
Hey, Harold.
Yes.
Why are you so sexy?
I was just bored.
You look like, no joke, you're like a Reese's peanut butter cup. I just want to eat you up.
What the fuck?
Got that V.
Oh, way to go, Jagoffs.